Buya mono na indo mwanchu murigererio Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo musino kwegena kwana na nogendrete kwego kia aso kubwatia miroberio yonsi yeri tkoria rero charagire Chinsa Ikomi chiabo no mugoroba ekerongo kwariganya SMS Amayia iriongo manyuna nara yana kwarigana iri ase Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge nyaromna ase miroberio yonsi ya Ndizi TV na wako endra gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo wetra Ndizi TV News iro togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanyia amangereteriane Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Abigail Nyanchama koene kyabuna chibichanerio gichi awekeire kabana into ikomwerio Kokwarigante chaka senchira ya bene asomrai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto amona baraibande litkolia lero baba kwene kia obokoreri bwe chinchira chekerero ase chinsemo au gati abase wizara yobochenu wizara ya ICT wizara yoboremi egati echi wizara chinyinge nabo igo chibengi aseruta baga kworoki waigore merobero yaberige kubekwa ase chi wizara echo asoko ene kyabuna obokoreri bwe serikali asenchira yekerero bwabeire goikiraniwa okwana asamagacho a KCC asumurobero yorenge gokorekana nigo murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abaga koene kyabuna asegeka kyamatuko emeronko etatu arebosio obokoreri bwe serikali nigo bogochia wakanerwa wetera paybill yemo eyuere ibere goika mara gatano nomo asada ene kyabuna chi paybill chons nigo chira chego siekwa Ruto nigate babuna ene nchire yemo yogochia kwene kyabuna obokoreri bwe serikali bwabiri bokurwegwa asenchera ere yobororo asinonyate una chibesa chakoboko gose cash tichigo chiako ene kiwa ase okoro ose asobokoreri bwe serikali gochiase abananchi.
In the next 30 days no government service should be paid in cash. Let me repeat it again for the avoidance of doubt. No government service will be paid for in cash in the next 30 days. And I want to say this because corruption has been our biggest problem, pilferage, theft. Citizens are forced to pay for a service or bribe for a service that ordinarily is theirs as of right. There will be only one channel to pay for government service. We have agreed, all state departments, KRA and everybody, the government pay bill is 22222. 22222. Is it star 22222 hash? That is how you pay for government service. All the other pay bills, in the next 30 days, they should be shut. We have...
Nigabaga koene kyabuna babekiro koiwana ne company ya Safaricom na bego chi company chinda ne chio chikonya chisimi abuna nigo gwikiro mutienyo gatano na gatatu omwako yega abantu nigo barachikonyora chisimi chingia gose smartphones aseri goriororo gochakera chiribu isano irio baigo babe gosemba beko muroberio buwakanira chisimi echo asenchera ya ngora irio konya abantu bange goikera obokoreri bwe serikali wetera asechimi naboigo asenchera ya bwango kegima.
And while I am there, we also agreed with Safaricom and our other telcos that next month, that is August, as I committed to the people of Kenya, smartphones are way beyond 9,000, 10,000, 15,000 going in that direction. We want to make it possible to have a smartphone that is 4G enabled for Kenyans at 5,000 shillings. I am very happy to report that those who are involved in that exercise have promised me that by August this year, we will have a gadget, a smartphone, that you can buy for 5,000 shillings. And I want to thank Safaricom. They have told us that we can buy that phone and pay on a program called Kulipa Mdogo Mdogo. You can pay 500 shillings, they give you the phone, and every day you pay 20 bob in your M-Pesa, and you will own the phone further down the road. I hope other telcos come on board so that we can make it possible for Kenyans to have the gadgets that will enable them transact with government and do all their other businesses online.
Tokotana nayo nigo waigo muraiwense William Samoei Ruto abairega kubekesei aseri chiko yeche ryo gwakana webango asech county na baigo bobagi bwechibesa asech insemo ao eryo kwene kyabuna obokoreri bwa magendero bwa boire bogwekiranirwa asech county magega ya serikali ko bwatoka achishiringi chi bilioni 353 wechi asech county eryo gwekirania amagenderase abananchi egati county eche county ya Nairobi nero yabage kubwatukirwa chibesa chinyinge korengana n'umubaro bw'abantu ase county echo county eyo echo chire chiringi chi bilioni 200 na sensemo yo bubagi bw'echibesa nigo chiringi chi bilioni 10.3 chabere chikobwato kwechira chiego ikirane bokoreri ase nsemo ya mache ensemo yechipara ensemo yechinguru chomorero naboigo ensemo yobochenu ase umuraiwense Ruto abeirega kwene kiabuna chibese chonigo chirachie osaboririe abarai bech county osaba governor kwene kiabuna chibese chonchi chigotumeka ase enchera ebwenerete nomuroberi obete okorekana asama gacha state house memucho Nairobi agokorawa no muri gose no motenerio monene asobokorerwe serikali Felix Koske.
Sir, the first bill, the Equalization Fund Appropriation Bill, Senate Bill number 3 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on the 15th of June 2023 and subsequently the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. Sir, the second bill, the County Allocation of Revenue Bill, Senate Bill number 16 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on 6th June 2023 and similarly received the seal of approval of the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. Your Excellency, with both houses of Parliament having discharged their lawmaking mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of government and state, is most graciously invited to exercise your presidential prerogative to assent to the bills. With Your Excellency's kind indulgence,
Unenchiraye moyo korokyo bwanchani na boigo kogokera obokoreri obuya bwo muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo bono county ya Homa Bay yabereke gwake getambukiro yokoroka egeti yechigosore asenseme yo Raila Odinga Stadium asegeti ekyo kyabage koigorwa ritkoria rero bene gokorawa no murayo ibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga amona baraibande gati abo mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nyarabunegeti ekyo niyo kyabere kwa gachwa segeka kemiaka kianda bono ikyo kyabirige ko ira chishiringi chi milioni 354 na kianda asabara ikorwa senseme yo babere ba kumoto ya Raila na otauna ni gabere ka gokora emirimo emiya saba Kenya na sokurwanira obosibori bwa Kenya na igonere buya ekero barorire egente kibara ba kumunyorera ase chinga kichire bosyo. Ekiombe kia Bandari Maritime Academy kubwatirana nebyombe ao nigo bacengere ritkoria bakore meremo ase enyancha gose World Seafarers Day awase baruro koboria weche abasibati kwene kia bunangwe eso kyabare asobonge na barabwo kwenyorera emiremo ase chinyancha nigo boigo babere bagokwanere mechando abakore merema bwa sense mu enyancha bawetera anene mechando yobongo na kurwo kuboligo cha serikali kwene kyabunango bekere mirobere saine yokubakonya eryo wetanga kurwa semechando buneyega eryo kubeka amagimabo ase auroro nigo boigo babere bakoboria abakolemere mu bonsi ase nyancha babe bakwegusiro konene kurwa serikali asogo ikerania obokoleri bwabo bwakera litko.
We are excited because As we know, if the population is half women and half men, we expect the employment also to be half men and half women. Unfortunately, that has not been. So as an association, we advocate for more women to be employed, to get opportunities, to be trained in the maritime industry. For the seafarers, today is their day, and we know quite a number of them are out there in the sea, maybe struggling with different reasons like mental health, like loneliness, and fortunately Kenya is really taking a good lead to be able to make sure that their salaries and their welfare is taken care of.
This is a day dedicated by the United Nations for all of us to reflect on the seafarers, their contribution to the economy and how they make the world trade move, and also to look at how we can encourage the youth to to become seafarers, and to reflect also on their challenges and the opportunities presented by the seafaring. The theme for the year is Maple, Seafarers, Maple and the Environment, and it's been chosen in commemoration of the 50 years since the Convention on Marine Prevention of Pollution from Ships was enacted in 1970.
Na kubwatikana n'omuchando bwa macha sensemo ya Malindi meye county ya Kilifi oyobetega gukwirira abamenyi kurwa sense yoweso kyana gukora ukurobekana askeri anene barokanire bakomochia company ya mache nigobondo mugavana we county ya Kilifi Gideon Mungaro abaireka weso kyana kubaenekeria buna nigo kamatera chigo chorwa iyo irachie kugayana enganeyo okwana chinga kiechyo Mungaro nigo abaenekeria abamenyi benseme yo buno muchando bwa machi no chikoera na kwenekia buna kero yo mobeire kago konyeka egatia magendro anda mange ayabetega koria eira yo goikirania chinga kichoburai bwaye.
And I assure you from tomorrow, we will have taken action on all the people we think should probably step aside while we are doing investigation of the issues raised. So I'm asking also the staff of that water company to stick to their work and work. We have heard what they have said and we have taken action. Kama wametafuta avenue zote zikashindikana, hata hao nimeambia board pia wale watajua ndio walikuwa ring leaders ya kufunga milango, kuweka magari, kufunga kuziba. Maana leo tumepoteza pesa ngapi ya wateja walikuwa wanataka kutulipa. Hata hao pia wote nitapeleka nyumbani. Wataitwa na kamati ya board wajieleze, wakishindwa kujieleza hata watakaa kando kidogo kwani tuangalie tabia zao.
Mwanchi umurigereria inaro na kwariganiretia semesa ya mayeye Chinsa Ikomi senchera ere yobwenge korenda mange nagenrete kwariganiwa ayorach konyora senchera ere yobwekirano gekoragense mona boigo Chinsa isato chamugoroba nere Vincent Onyancha ekerbarach kubwatirana nere ndemo Stephen asensemerie chigosori gokumanya buna nara ya genrete na manga genrete gokorekana ekerotoroche buno muraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ne agenrete gukwanira amangana ao igoro bakorerwe serikali anena sabereka gukwanira igoro ya uduma namba na otayona nigo ya tugutere tware kubwatikana nobo kurumyo wabete bokoenekiwa asenseme no otayona nigo etarenge ngikiranu asa enekeire ba Kenya na nigo barachi kubwatokero se konyora chi identity card chinya gochaka omwaka gosego asegeka kemetienyi etato erebosio echiochire chi card chi agose chi ID card chi ekerero nigo boigaberega gukwanira igoro yo komentwa emisara ase abakora imirimo askiri atebire munanonya ense ya Kenya kagenrete wetera chinga kichingongu kubwatikana na mangana uchumi nigo guchakira umutienyogo chetarikemo buri twere angyo abakora imirimo be serikali barachie konyorwa gose konyora okomentwa kwemeshara yabo iri ko bakonya na barabwo aso kwegenderia asama tukarbusi kurende ayo negatiari ogenrete kwariganirwa urachikonyora senchira yobwikiranu ibono mancho murigere ditoba sagoskare gendra kubwatie mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV Karongo kwenyore buna sensemo ya Facebook nabo kogendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter nabo gutitwetera @Ndizi TV News eryo togendera gosanga nabo igo kwemanyia amangi rutobwatirana nere kwene KHP channel gichawe kera senchira ya bene nigakorokwa Abigail Nyanchama encheri teriane Everlyne Osero twarubulire borobia nabo igo imagoro bentoereru